Hey, Klaus here. Let's listen to our favorite sound. Right? You're getting used to it. So, with the recent updates of Apple's privacy updates on iOS 14, iOS 15, Facebook ads and Google ads and other ad providers will have it more difficult to provide your message to your customers. You probably will already see that there is a drop in traffic coming from Facebook to your store. So to make the most out of the traffic that you get, you need to have a conversion optimized store. For that reason, I have put together a free PDF workbook, which you can download, and that has the conversion in there. So basically, you will find there an overview of the basics and the foundation of conversion rate optimization, which you would need to know to understand on how to optimize your store for better conversions. If you want to have it, you will find the link below the video. Just click it, will take you to a page, and then you can download the PDF there and take it from there. So let me know what you think about it in the comments, and I see you in the next video.